Hi, you're watching DS Game, and now we are currently playing Jerry's game in Tom and Jerry. We're playing Cheese Thief. So, we have our players for tonight, starting with Kill Uncle, next with Shaper, then Skidoo Levino, and yours truly, Kento. Number 4 would be, uh, me. Number 5 would be Bujin. Number 6 is Itlog. So, that's all for the players for today.
Thank you very much, Kento. Yes, welcome back. We haven't seen Kento in a while. And speaking of welcome back, we haven't played Cheese Thief in a while. So we are playing Cheese Thief, 6 players. Basic muna tayo. May Cheese Thief, walang fall mouse, pero pipili siya ng follower mouse. And again, hindi kilala ni follower si Cheese Thief. Who knows? See, I have randomly given them their schedules and their roles. With your mics, guys. Go to sleep.
You go to sleep.
Ng 4 gising ting sa camera. Alright, if you are the Cheese Thief, wave sa camera, cheese is yours. If you're not the Cheese Thief at mag-isa ka lang, pick player. I'll give you the schedule of a person. Alright, that's long enough. Tulog na ulit kung sino man gumising ng 4. Okay. Everyone, wake up. It's 7 o'clock.
Wake up.
7 o'clock, and unfortunately, someone stole the cheese. Gumising si Cheese Thief kagabi and kinuha niya yung cheese. And kumuha rin siya ng partner niya, isang follower. So you guys are looking for the Cheese Thief, not the follower. Walang fall mouse. I'm gonna give you guys 5 minutes starting now. Good luck.
Ala, sininag na ako ng cheese.
Does the follower know who the Cheese Thief is?
No.
No. He does not.
No.
He does.
And it's only
he doesn't.
One follower lang. Correct.
So there are 2 liars.
Shaper, what time did you wake up?
No.
Why did you tell me first? You.
Me?
Uncle, did you wake up alone?
Yeah. When did you
I
wake up?
I woke up at 5, wala na yun. Cheese.
I mean, you woke up
5
alone.
a.m.
Okay, then
woke
you
up
can
alone.
then prove that by saying who did you check and what time did they wake up.
Why so many questions, kiddo? Are you trying to find something?
Hindi, sige, tama yan.
Trying to
Kailangan.
find the cheese.
After you tell your answer, sige, ako yung susunod.
Teka, no.
Uh-oh.
If I do that, i-confirm na ng guy, yes, I woke up. But if it's wrong,
Then we are one step closer in determining who's the Cheese Thief, Uncle. If you're good,
I woke up
nothing to be worried about.
So the right question to ask is, who woke up at 1 to 4 and then will go up? That's the right process.
Uncle,
Pwede, sige.
clear
You mentioned...
Oh, sige. No. Sige, I'll do Skiddo solid. I asked Chadvan about Kento, and he woke up at 3 a.m.
So, tama yan, Kento.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, Uncle is good.
Ako, I woke up at 6.
Who did you check, Gujin?
5 a.m.
I checked
no
Itlog.
And Itlog's time is?
1 o'clock.
Okay, Skiddo, keep asking. Tell us.
Ako naman. So, since na-reveal na rin naman. So, I woke up alone. Tapos, chinek ko yung kay Skiddo. Hindi siya yung Cheese Thief.
Wow, galing ah.
Ano mo alam?
Sear mouse ka? Sear mouse?
Ano mo alam, Skiddo? Itlog, but you woke up at 1.
Hindi posibleng it's impossible na si Skiddo yung kumuha ng cheese.
Dahil,
How so?
Maniwala kayo sa akin.
Well,
It's Kento and Shaper then. Kento and Shaper.
No.
Feeling ko si Kento kasi
I
3.
woke up at 5. I checked Kento.
No,
How come
no.
you asked
Kento
Kento?
and Shaper.
Kento said yes.
Shaper, anong oras ka gumising?
Saglit lang.
Shaper, what time did you wake up?
I was gonna see if I was gonna catch someone in a lie. I woke up if anyone else was gonna change their story. Because I think it's Kill Uncle. I woke up at 4 and the cheese was still there. So but I think he's making it too obvious. So he might be the
Kento,
follower.
nandun pa yung cheese?
He might be like the follower.
I woke up at 5. And you know my story. I have no
2 minutes
idea.
left, guys.
Sinabi ba ni
So,
Kento kung nandun pa yung cheese?
Shaper,
No,
what
no,
time
no,
did you
no,
wake
no.
up? You woke
Wala
up
na?
at
Let me
4.
clarify. Let me
Four.
clarify.
Yes.
And then who did you check?
I checked you. You woke up at 1 a.m.
Who?
You, Skiddo.
You checked me?
Wait. Skiddo, what time did you wake up?
No. The bottom.
Skiddo, what
Okay,
time
I'm
did you
voting
wake up?
Kanto. I'm voting Kanto then.
No. The bottom line of this is Kill Uncle and I wake up together. No. Si Kill Uncle yung
I did not
cheese.
wake up with you. I make it sound so. Let me in context. When I say I did not wake up with Kento, that means
No. We wake up together. You know that.
Sino ulit chinek ni Kill
I
Uncle?
did not wake up with Kento. Never have I
Sino
ever.
chinek mo Kill Uncle?
No.
Kento.
Si Kento chinek mo 3 a.m. siya.
Yeah, ako 5 a.m.
Pero sabay kami.
No.
Sabay kami ni Kill Uncle.
I woke up at
Pero bakit
5.
may namin na 3 a.m. ka nga?
Did anyone check me ba?
1
Anyone?
minute left.
No, but Kill Uncle's making it too obvious it's him. So maybe he's a fall mouse, you think?
Bujin is not
I woke
cheese
up
thief.
I woke
Shaper
up
is
at
not.
5. Anyone who woke
Kill
up
Uncle and Kanto.
from 1 to 4 is the thief. Yun lang.
No. Kill Uncle is
You
the
woke
cheese.
up at 6.
Let's go for Kill Uncle. Baka,
Yes.
baka pinili niya si Kento as
Obvious.
apprentice.
He's the follower.
That's a good
Kaya
decision.
yun una niya sinabi.
It's
That's
too
a good
obvious.
Sinabi niya agad na 3
Yeah, but
a.m. si Kento.
We
Pero
can
si
now narrow it down.
Kill Uncle pala yung 3 a.m.
30 seconds.
Parang ganun.
Kung itlog, kung pinili ko si Kento, bakit niya ako linalaglag ngayon?
Hindi naman kilala yung ano eh.
No, I woke up at 5.
As the
Check
apprentice,
Kento.
hindi naman kilala ni Kento yung kung
I
sino
checked
yung...
Kento. My story makes sense. I don't get it.
I will go
15
for
seconds.
Kill Uncle.
I think it's Kill Uncle, but
I would go for Kento.
I mean, it's okay for me to
10
lose
seconds.
as long as you choose between Kill
Paper,
Uncle
Bujim,
and
what do you guys think?
5,
Kill Uncle na.
4, 3,
how do we know?
2,
Wait, how do we know
One.
Bujin is
Kento.
innocent?
That's
This
it.
is what
No
I'm
more
using.
How do you know Bujin
discussions.
is innocent?
No more
It's Kill Uncle.
discussions. You
How
guys
did
had
you know?
5
Uncle.
minutes. We are
No,
now
no,
gonna
no.
go to the votes. Remember, wala namang fall mouse, pero may follower. But you guys are just looking for the cheese tea. You cannot vote for
Yeah.
yourself. You have to
Anyway.
vote for someone else. I'm gonna count you guys down from 3. Sabay-sabay kayo
That's
mag-vote.
what we're
Counting down.
Too
3,
obvious kung Kill Uncle
2,
eh.
1. Votes. Vote, hold it up. Vote, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. Tatlo sa
Ay.
1, dalawa sa 4, isa sa 5. Kill
Ay.
Uncle has the most votes with just 1 vote difference. Kill Uncle has the most vote. Kento has the second most
Bakit
votes.
5 ang pinili ni Shaper? Akala
Kasi
ko
he's the most
nagtay na.
quiet.
That the cheese was stolen at 3 o'clock. Kento woke up at 3 with Kill Uncle. Kill Uncle was the cheese thief, pero pinili ng followers si Shaper. Good job.
No, that's why.
Kill Uncle was the cheese thief. That was a good plan, ah. Kala ko automatic kukunin niya si Kento na follower. Pero kinuha niya iba, nag-pretend na lang siya, chinek niya yung schedule ni Kento. Pero they woke up together and Kill Uncle stole the cheese and made Shaper the follower. So,
I
Kill
was
Uncle, you
wondering why
lost.
she-
Shaper, you lost.
Shaper, what did you?
I said this was too obvious. I was trying to redirect it away from you.
Yeah,
But you voted. But you
at that
voted
point-
5.
At that
Because I
point,
didn't know for sure it was you. I thought it was either you or Kento. I didn't know which one.
actually, Kill Uncle at that point, regardless, kahit i-vote niya si Kento, you would have been caught kasi tatlo na rin yung vote mo that time. Kahit i-vote niya si Kento.
I voted Kanto so that I want them both dead so that we surely kill them. We surely catch the cheese because I don't know between Kill Uncle and Kanto. That's
Oh
why-
yeah, style ni New Ambassador yun. Splitting the votes, parang may net.
Yeah,
around it.
splitting.
Anyway, and if you could pull it off, why not, diba? Pero may follower that's gonna mess the numbers up. Those na may schedule ng 1 o'clock, isang tingin sa camera. Okay, kung mag-isa ka lang, and you're not a cheese thief, pick a player. Kung ikaw ang cheese thief, obviously wave para bigay sa cheese. But if you're more than one person, then I'll give you. Then I'm just kidding. Okay. That's long enough. Tug na ulit kung sino man gumising ng 1. Kung sino man may schedule ng 3, wake up tingin sa camera. Okay. Kung ikaw ang cheese thief, please wave sa camera and tatanggalin ko na yung cheese sa background ko. If you're not the cheese thief at mag-isa ka lang, pick a player. Alright, that's long enough. Tulog na ulit kung sino man gumising ng 3. Kung sino man may schedule ng 6, wake up tingin sa camera. If you're the cheese thief, wave the cheese is yours. If you're not the cheese thief and mag-isa ka lang, pick a player. Alright, that's long enough. Tulog na kung sino gumising ng 6. Lastly, cheese thief. Wake up, tingin sa camera, cheese thief. Pili ka ng gagawin mong follower. Hindi ko sabihin yung role mo to this person, pero he or she, laki kayo lahat. He will become your follower. Okay. But then, back to sleep. Cheese thief, send lang doon na message yung pili mong follower. Good job, yes.
I couldn't tell if it was Kill Uncle or Kento was lying. I was a cheese thief. It was one of you.
Because my story already checked out when Skidoo asked me.
But you're a good liar, so it could be you are telling the lie or telling. I can't tell.
That was supposed to be the part where you said.
Sige. Let me wrap this game up muna. Let Kento wrap this game up. Kento, you saw the cheese thief you guys won. Wrap the game up. Go ahead.
So, yes, as we all wanted, Kill Uncle lost. So, there's repeated wins at this game. So, that is Cheese Thief. And if you like this game, just click the like button. And if you're still not a subscriber of BS Game Philippines, hit the subscribe button so that you can watch more BS Game videos. So, this is BS Games Philippines. I'm your Kento saying goodbye. Bye-bye.